All the people if you get ready for the fruit of life, which is coming out of his mouth, Emperor Selassie Jah. Rastafari, don't know say, sing. All of them bumbuckler to my reject the truth and accept distraction. When a judgment I come, them a blaze up in a fire, sing. Sure. Me calling all of them world leaders, and now me calling all of them politicians. Hypocrites and parasites, rumor mongers. You got to change your ways now.
All of them world job believers, whether you are Christian, you be Muslim, we have to come together, unification, we have to change our ways now.
Change the way you think, man, Mr. President. You never see those lives you are strangling. Innocent children on the street, them are dying. A bag full of blood in a them blood you been swimming.
Hey, Mr. Coleman, me I know you agree with this. Your politicians, it's so hard to live, yeah. Them no leaders, them no readers. Whenever we attack them, I try to look us.
Change the way you think, man, Mr. President. Stop putting your children in a confusion. Mind your time is up, you better give it up. A handful of bloodshed, man, you must be dreaming.
We have to chase this president away. We need to follow Rastafari way. Listen to what him say. His Imperial Majesty never tell you to obey.
Me calling all of them world leaders, and now me calling all of them politicians. Hypocrites and parasites, rumor mongers. You got to change your ways now.
All of them world job believers, whether you are Christian, you be Muslim, we have to come together, unification, we have to change our ways now.
See them hottest lot of man in a Benue. See them hottest lot of man in Anambra. See them hottest lot of man in a Nimbo. They rape and burn innocent children in a Taraba.
They must slaughter poor people. Listen, this justice is not equal. Innocent suffer, so them a get rich. After them finish up, them a go country switch, yeah.
Who you think a man that you are worshipping? The powers of darkness, man, you are praising. And at the end time, man, fire go blazing. Me sit down and think about all the blood them shedding.
Why I give praise to the fallen angel? Why I have to put a racial label? Don't you know that you're playing with danger? One day you will pay for this.
Because me calling all of them world leaders, and now me calling all of them politicians. Hypocrites and parasites, rumor mongers. You got to change your ways now.
All of them world job believers, whether you are Christian, you be Muslim, we have to come together, unification, we have to change our ways now.
In at the end time, man, we have to step out. To the left, to the right, them have to step out. Rastafari can still always step out. Never know which of both sides them have to push out.
I give thanks and praise to His Imperial Majesty, I Selassie I the First, King of Kings, Lords of Lords. You feel no hunger, yes, you feel no thirst.
To the right is a sight for the paradise. To the left, them have to burn up on a paradise. In all the end time, King Selassie decide. You better take time, bump up that, you better be wise.
Be wise, be wise, be wise. On your way to the paradise. Be wise, be wise, be wise. All them do is spreading lies.
Me calling all of them world leaders, and now me calling all of them politicians. Hypocrites and parasites, rumor mongers. You got to change your ways now.
All of them world job believers, whether you are Christian, you be Muslim, we have to come together, unification, we have to change our ways now.
Me calling all of them world leaders, and now me calling all of them politicians. Hypocrites and parasites, rumor mongers. You got to change your ways now.
All of them world job believers, whether you are Christian, you be Muslim, we have to come together, unification, we have to change our ways now.